Amol Suryanshi. Today we are going to discuss about synchronous motor. Contents, construction, diagram, features of synchronous reluctance motor, operation, comparison of synchronous reluctance motor versus induction motor. Construction. The structure of reluctance motor is same as that of silent pole synchronous machine. A stator has three-phase symmetrical winding which creates sinusoidal rotating magnetic field in the air gap, and reluctance torque is developed because the induced magnetic field in the rotor has a tendency to cause the rotor to align with the stator field at a minimum reluctance position. The rotor does not have any field winding. The rotor of the modern reluctance machine is designed with iron laminations in the axial direction separated by non-magnetic material. This figure shows the construction of synchronous motor. The stator is made up of silicon steel stampings. Silicon steel material is most suitable to manufacture the core of the motor because it having high permeability and low reluctance path. And by using silicon steel material we can reduce the hysteresis loss, and by using laminated stampings we can minimize the eddy current loss. Here, the salient pole rotor are used having N and S pole. A multipolar machine with cylindrical rotor has a uniform air gap because of which its reactance remains the same. However, a synchronous machine with silent pole has non-uniform air gap due to which its reactance varies with the rotor position. Silent pole machine possesses two axes of geometric symmetry. Field poles axis called direct axis or D axis. Axis passing through the center of the interpole space called quadrature axis or Q axis as shown in figure. Two MMFs act on the D axis means direct axis of a silent pole synchronous machine, that is field MMF and armature MMF, whereas only one MMF, that is armature MMF, acts on the quadrature axis. Because field MMF has no component in the quadrature axis, the magnetic reluctance is low along the poles and high between the poles. The above facts form the basis of the two reaction theory proposed by Blondel, according to which armature current IA can be resolved into two components, that is direct current is perpendicular to E0 and quadrature axis current along with E0. Armature reactance has two components, that is quadrature axis and armature reactance XAQ associated with IQ, and director axis armature reactance XAD linked with ID. Here the cross section of synchronous reluctance motor having iron sheet, and it is non-magnetic material, so by using non-magnetic material it is separated. Feature of synchronous reluctance motors. The performance of the reluctance motor may approach that of induction machine. With high saliency ratio, a power factor 0.8 can be reached. The efficiency of a reluctance machine may be higher than an induction motor because there is no rotor copper loss. Because of inherent simplicity, robustness of construction and low cost. The synchronous reluctance motor has no synchronous starting torque and runs up from standstill by induction action. There is an auxiliary starting winding. Operation. In order to understand the working of synchronous reluctance motor, when a piece of magnetic material is located in a magnetic field, a force acts on the material tending to bring it into the desert portion of the field. The force tends to align the specimen of material in such a way that the reluctance of the magnetic path that passes through the material will be minimum. When supply is given to the stator winding, the revolving magnetic field will exert reluctance torque on the unsymmetrical rotor tending to align the salient pole axis of the rotor with the axis of the revolving magnetic field, because in this position the reluctance of the magnetic path would be minimum. Operation. If the reluctance torque is sufficient to start the motor and its load, the rotor will pull into step with the revolving field and continue to run at the speed of the revolving field. Actually, the motor starts as an induction motor, and after it has reached its maximum speed as an induction motor, the reluctance torque pulls its rotor into step with revolving field. Motor now runs as synchronous motor by virtue of its saliency. Comparison between synchronous reluctance motor and induction motor. The synchronous reluctance motor having better efficiency compared to induction motor, means efficiency is low compared with synchronous reluctance motor. But one disadvantage of synchronous reluctance motor is it having high cost, and compared to induction motor, the induction motor is very low cost compared to synchronous reluctance motor. Thank you.